Hello traders and welcome back to another day trading with the VIP team. This week or today in this video going to talk about the US dollar. Now the US dollar, if you're not a US dollar trader, you don't know that the 96.70 level on the DXY is extremely and utterly significant. If we go back to historic price action, you can see that this level has been pivotal from the beginning of 2015, and right now price has rejected it three times already. And this Sunday's open is looking very bearish. Now, technically speaking, we are still inside of a bullish structure, but very close to breaking this structure on the longer time frames, right? I am not looking for buys anymore on the US dollar, uh, and I'm going to explain to you why. Technically speaking, again, we are in a bullish structure, and the reason that I am not looking for buys because of Sunday's open. And of course, because we are so close to this level right here, that a buy would have no edge um, in that trade, right? So I was looking at the Sunday open, and this is how it closed on a Friday, right? The DXY closed like this on Friday, very bullish after the break of this bullish flag. On Friday, I did not take a bullish position in the USD, was late on the day, and we were very close to this previous base. That again, this buy would have no edge being so late on the day, being so close to um, resistance. So I was waiting for the weekly open right on Sunday, and this is where we are right now. So I was waiting, or I was looking at a possible retest of these previous lows right here for possible buys on the US dollar, but as you can see, sellers are heavy below the 96.70 level, and price has retrace all the way back towards those previous weekly lows around the 95.69 level or so. Right now, the US dollar is down about 0.5%. I am expecting some more bearish moves, but for the time being, I'm flat on the USD, right? And I do have a this is no longer in place, so I'm going to be deleting it. I'm just looking at levels at the moment. And these are the levels that I'm looking at. Possible play on the US dollar for today would be a break below this level, a retest for a bearish continuation. That would mean that I will be looking for longs in the Euro USD, maybe longs in the Pound USD, maybe. Um, Longs in the Aussie versus the US dollar, possibly shorts in this US dollar South African rand and US dollar Mexican peso. But in any case, we need for that confirmation of the break below before taking action on a bear trade or a sell trade on the USD. Heads up to the VIP team because they're going to get that trade. And if you want to be part of the VIP team, there's a link below this video. And if you use the code TRADE25, you're getting 25% off of your subscription. Cheers. Have a great trading week.